Definitely the worst it has been all season. Everything is incredibly overgrown. We have been way too busy to come out here and deal with it. I'm actually a little nervous to even be walking out here because the grass is so incredibly high. And I don't even have time to harvest tonight. I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow when I have time to go get the wheelbarrow. But let's just take a look around anyway. Squash plants are officially gone. I mean, y'all, those are weeds, overgrown weeds. There's tons of cherry tomatoes in there. I'm probably swimming in jalapeno peppers and bell peppers. All good things, all good things. I'm actually a little nervous to look at my tomatoes, as while it's time for things to start winding down, I'm also sad to see it go. Pretty sure the cantaloupes are all done producing. Once we get out here and mow this down, I'll know for sure. I bet that watermelon is ready to be picked. I can't even see in here. It's so bad. This is what 1 week of neglect will do, guys. If you have a really good growing garden, you can't neglect it. This is what neglect looks like. However, I bet that's probably going to be the tastiest tomato. Truly vine ripened. The cucumbers are going yellow. Look at that. You just see tons of red tomatoes in there. These tomatoes here have all fallen down. Boy, this is a mess. All these green beans, I'm gonna have to come out here. Oh my gosh, I have so much work to do. Great. Just to be clear, I am not proud of this. I'm actually really disappointed that I've not had time to get out here. And it just is kind of motivating for next year. Just the putting a plan in place to kind of do a little bit different growing method where I'm not planting everything at the same time. Like do a few plants at a time so that the season is extended rather than having everything come ripe all at once. I think would be the better way to go since our summers are pretty busy. I'm so thankful for such a successful gardening season, and the season's not even over yet. I mean, I can plant fall stuff, but I have got quite a job ahead of me getting this cleaned up and ready for next season or fall, whatever it is we end up deciding to do. Let me know in the comments how your garden is doing. Is it winding down for you as well? Is it time to clean up and call it a season? What's it looking like early August for you guys? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe so that you can follow along as I get the garden cleaned up and just for the day-to-day life out here on the farm.